When you run an import or export wizard in Access, you can save the settings you used as a specification so that you can repeat the operation at any time. A specification contains all the information Access needs to repeat the operation without you having to provide any input. For example, a specification that imports data from an Excel workbook stores the name of the source Excel file and other details, such as whether you appended the data to an existing table or imported the data into a new table, primary key information, and field names. You can save an import or export operation involving any of the file formats supported in Access. You cannot save the details of a linking operation or an operation where export only a portion of a datasheet. The import and export wizards are available on the External Data tab. The import wizards are in the Import and Link group, and the export wizards are in the Export group. For example, let us import the Excel file customers and save the operation. In the External Data tab, click on New Data Source, select From File and then select Excel. Follow the instructions in the wizard. After you click on Finish, the Save Import Steps page appears in the wizard. Select Save Import Steps. In the Save As box, type a name for the specification. In the description box, type a description to help identify the operation later. Click on Save Import to save the specification. Access creates and stores the specification in the current database. Click on Saved Imports or Saved Exports to open Manage Data task. You can see the list of saved imports and saved exports here. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.